45-degree CNC cutting center. J&D 4th generation patent product, specially designed to automatically cut aluminum window profiles at 45 degrees with high profile utilization, which can save 1% of materials, high efficiency, which can cut 2,200 to 2,600 pieces in 8 working hours by one operator, and high precision with length cutting accuracy, more or less 0.1 millimeter. Angular cutting accuracy, more or less 0.1 degree, and repeated positioning accuracy, more or less 0.05 millimeter.